Hi, I'm Dennis, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a cool table decoration with records and Kalanchoes. I already prepared one record by drilling some holes in it. I want to create some height with these bottles that go directly in here to hide that glue in a very vintage color yellow. For the next step, we're just gonna put this one aside for a little bit, and we're gonna heat this record up. This is vinyl, so when you heat the vinyl, it will get flexible, and then we can mold it into a different shape. And as you can see, it gets flexible already a little bit with the heat, and then it gets very hot, so don't use your hands for this, but then we slowly press it into the pot, and then we wait a little bit till this is cooled down, and then we got a very nice shape. I already prepared some other ones. You can repot them right in there. And I think this is a very funky, simple design. And this one is going to be a little bit of a larger one, maybe for the bar or a bigger table. There's still a hole in the middle. We need to fill that up with some glue as well. The bottles that are in here, we're now going to fill them up already with water. So here we got the Kalanchoe, which is a really strong plant, and they'll last a long time for your customers in a restaurant because they can withstand quite some warmth. They don't need too much care, and they have plenty of color with all these flowers. To add some height and I think a really funky effect, we're gonna put some of the Graspedia in here. Then we're gonna add some of these philodendron leaves to add a lot of green in here. And this way you get a really funky arrangement, I think, with lots of green, lots of more color to come with the Kalanchoes when they're gonna be in full bloom. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope to see you next time.